Exploring the altar of sacrifice, a deep dive into meaning and usage. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating phrase, altar of sacrifice. This phrase carries a lot of historical and cultural weight, and understanding it can add depth to your English vocabulary. Let's dive into its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. The phrase, altar of sacrifice, refers to a physical structure used in religious ceremonies. Historically, an altar is a table or flat surface where offerings or sacrifices are made to gods or deities. These sacrifices could range from food and incense to, in ancient times, animal or even human offerings. The altar symbolizes a place of worship, reverence, and communication with the divine. In modern English, we often use altar of sacrifice in a figurative sense. It can describe a situation where someone gives up something valuable for a cause, a belief, or the benefit of others. This sacrifice can be time, effort, personal gain, or even one's own welfare. For example, saying someone laid their ambitions on the altar of sacrifice for their family means they gave up their personal goals to support their family's needs. This phrase is rich in literary and rhetorical power. Writers and speakers use it to evoke strong emotions or to highlight the gravity of a sacrifice. In literature, characters might be described as making personal sacrifices for love, honor, or duty, metaphorically using the altar of sacrifice. In speeches, leaders might refer to soldiers or activists' sacrifices as being made on the altar of sacrifice, underscoring their nobility and selflessness. When you want to use altar of sacrifice in conversation or writing, think about the context of sacrifice. It's a powerful phrase best used in serious or reflective contexts, rather than everyday casual conversation. Here are a few tips. Emphasize the significance of the sacrifice being made. Use it to draw attention to the selflessness or dedication of an individual or group. Remember, it's a phrase loaded with emotional weight. Use it to inspire, honor, or provoke thought. We hope this exploration of the altar of sacrifice enriches your understanding and use of this profound phrase in English. It's more than just words. It's a gateway to deep cultural and emotional landscapes. Whether you're reading classic literature, engaging in deep conversations, or crafting persuasive speeches, knowing the weight and beauty of such phrases can truly elevate your language skills. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to our next linguistic journey together.